Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE V40 Pro and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the system. Then let's tap on date and time. And here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, let's tap on set time automatically and tap on off. And also tap on this switcher to turn off the time zone. Now we can freely tap on set date and choose the date from this calendar. As you can see here, we can change the months. So just find the day, tap on it and tap on OK. And it will be immediately applied. Same with the time, just tap on set time and now we can choose it from the clock. So for example, something like that. First of all, hours, then minutes, tap on OK and it will be immediately set. Here we can also select the time zone, so just tap on it, tap on the region, and here we've got the full list of available regions, so find yours and tap on it, it will be immediately applied. Here you can use a location for the automatic time zones, etc., but just ignore it for now. Here we can also change the time format, and this is the only format which we can change here. I mean, we cannot, for example, change the date format, only hour one. So we can either use the 24-hour format. If it is active, it means that it is activated. I mean, it is applied. And if we wish to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher here, and your device will immediately apply this option. You can also use local default, which is more or less automatic, and it is also connected with the time format. Alright, so this is the manual customization of date and time, and if you wish to come back to previous options, simply tap on the switcher to set the automatic time zone, and then set time automatically, tap on this option and use network provided time. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.